Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we want to help you with how to use the 6-flower oil perfume to make your partner love you alone for high sales and other purposes. So, today I'm coming to talk about how to use the 6-flower perfume oil for so many things that will benefit you. So, for those people who are always having problems with their partners and then they want them to love them alone and stuff, this 6-flower oil can help you. For those students who are such that when they learn, they are not favored. They will learn everything, but when you go to the examination hall, they'll forget everything. This oil will help you. If you are battling with evil spirits and stuff, this oil is going to help you. So please kindly ensure that you listen carefully to whatever I say in this video so that it benefits you. So let's start with how to use this oil to drive away evil spirits. So if you are such that you are always having problem with evil spirits, what you are going to do is that you get a bucket of any size with a very good cover. So you fill the bucket with water. What you are going to do is that you pour the 6-flower oil perfume into the water and then you add Florida water. Now what you do is that you just keep this water with the nice cover in your room and then you'll be sprinkling the water in your room from time to time. So for those people who are always saying that when they sleep they hear some strange voices in their room or they hear some strange sounds on their roofing sheet and stuff, for those people they can easily use this particular 6-flower oil and then Florida water to be sprinkling their room, and all those strange things will leave them for good. If you are such that all the time something will be pressing you in your room, kindly ensure that you do this particular direction. And then if you are such that you are always moving from one problem to another or things are just troubling you, what you do is that you also get the 6-flower oil perfume and then you also get the Florida water. Please, the 6-flower oil perfume, you can easily get it from those people who sell essential oils like the Florida water and stuff on the market. You can easily get it from them. Even those people who sell herbal things, they can easily give you this. If you cannot get the 6-flower oil and then the Florida water, you can click on the link in the comment section and then the description of this particular video, and then you get it from Amazon to buy. So if you are such that you are always jumping from one problem to the other, what you do is that you also get a bucket of water. You pour the whole of the 6-flower oil perfume in the bucket of water and then you also add the Florida water to it. So what you do is that you will just be praying with this and be bathing with it all the time. When you are bathing, you just pray and then you'll be saying your intentions and your problems. So when you are doing this for about 7 nights, all the time, you see that this problem will just leave you for good. And then also, if you are such that you need mercy of God in your business, in your learning, and everything that you do, what you do is that if you want to go for an interview or you are such that when you learn, you easily forget during exam and stuff, you can just mix this with coconut water. So you get a fresh coconut, then you mix the 6-flower oil perfume with it very well. And then when you want to travel or when you want to do any business or when you want to study, you just apply small of it to your forehead. But please let me remind you that for the 6-flower oil perfume to work very well, you are supposed to activate it with alligator pepper or by prayer. So what you are going to do is that you can just take 2 alligator pepper seeds and then when you take it, you just use it to cleanse the 6-flower oil perfume from the top to the down. You cleanse it very well. So after cleansing it, you just throw that one away and then you come out from your room. You'll be chewing 7 seeds of alligator pepper and then you'll be praying and saying that you command it to turn from a physical emblem into a spiritual emblem or a spiritual thing for you to use and then get spiritual results or get the results that you desire. You see that this particular thing has been in the shop of people and then they have different hands have touched it. So you are supposed to pray over it and then to activate it. If you cannot get the alligator pepper, what you are going to do is that you just recite Psalm 51 over it, or you just say your prayers with your faith. You pray fervently over it and then it will be activated. You tell God to change it from a physical thing to a spiritual thing so that when you use it for these particular directions, it works for you. So that is how we are going to do it. But please, if you are going to use alligator pepper, kindly ensure that you open the alligator pepper pod from your back. But if you cannot get the alligator pepper, just ensure that you pray fervently over the 6-flower perfume oil before using. So if you are also such that you need protection, what you are going to do is that you are going to put about 3 drops of the 6-flower perfume oil into your bathing water and then you pray over it for protection, then use it to bath. You are going to do this particular direction for 7 nights and then God is surely going to protect you. You are going to get extra protection. So if you are such that whatever you are doing, there is a situation where you are terribly afraid, you can do this particular direction for protection. And then also for those people who always have stubborn sickness, they have some sickness, it is not going. You can use the 6-flower oil to pray and then to bath. So what you are going to do is that you just drop some 3 drops of the 6-flower oil perfume into your bathing water and then you use it to bath. So as you bath, you see that as the water drips off your body, so shall all sicknesses leave you. You are going to do this for 7 nights only, but you cannot do it when you are menstruating. You do it for 7 nights and then that stubborn sickness will just leave you mischievously. And then also, if you need favor, money, or high sales, what you are going to do is that you just get direct rainwater from the sky. You just, when it is raining, you put some bucket or container outside and then for rain to fall inside. You are going to add some of the water to the 6-flower oil perfume. And then anytime you are going out to do your business or for favor or you are going for interview or something, you just pray and then apply some to your forehead and it is going to attract a lot of favor to you. And then for those people who always complain that they have problems with their partners and then their partners are cheating on them and stuff, for those people who are always having problem in their relationship and stuff, for those people, what we are going to do is that you also get the 6-flower oil perfume, you activate it with the alligator pepper, or you are going to activate it with prayer. So after praying over it, what you do is that you now get the a sheet of paper, a clean one with no lines on it. So if you get an A4 sheet, it is very, very preferable. You just get a small portion of it and then you use a red pen to write your partner's name on it. Then you push it inside the oil. You now say your prayer intentions very seriously over it. So after doing that, what you do is that early morning before speaking to anyone, you go to a river bank and then you dig that place and then put it inside there. So that is how you are going to do it. But please, you are going to do the direction in the midnight. So in the midnight, that is when you write the partner's name and then you put the paper into the 6-flower oil perfume and then early morning, you now go and bury it. So as you bury it, you say that anytime you drink water, so and so, kindly ensure that you remember only me. So that is how you are going to do the direction. So these are some of the things you can do with the 6-flower oil perfume. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we shall talk about a lot of things you can do with other things. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel for more remedies for free. Thank you very much. Bye. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.